Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope that you all are enjoying the best of your health. This is Iqra Applied Grammar 2 for class 7 and this is lesson number 31. Dear student, yesterday we completed unit number 9. Now this is the time to go forward. So open your page on 38. Dear students, today's unit is unit number 9. The topic is quantifiers. As usual, the first segment is grammar in use. Sing aloud together. The students, I will read the passage and you will read after me. How many slams in an old screen door? It's your turn. Depends how loud you shut it. How many slices in bread? Depends how thin you cut it. How much good inside a day? Depends how good you live in. How much love inside a friend? Depends how much you give him. Dear student, this is second segment, learn grammar. The strip defines quantifiers. Quantifiers are used to tell about the amount or quantity of something. The student, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 quantifiers. The first one is much. Sentence has been solved for your convenience. There is much sugar in the jar. I have much money in the pocket. Many. There are many children in the park. We have many friends in the town. A lot of. There are a lot of animals in the zoo. You have a lot of cold drinks in the freezer. There is some milk in the jug. She has some books in her bag. Any. There is not any butter in the bowl. He has not any new egg to eat. The students, any is used with negative sentences. Some is used with little quantity or amount. A lot of is used with countable and uncountable when they are very much in quantity or number. Many, when the things are countable or uncountable, but they are countable when less in number. Much is used, much sugar, when not countable. Many countable, but in a large quantity. Dear students, this is practice exercise A. Look at the pictures and circle the correct option. The student, there are 6 sentences with respective pictures. The teacher does not have some any chalk. There were a lot of dash any birds in the net. Sentence 3. I have some or a lot of toys in my cupboard. Sentence 4. My mother bought a lot of or some oranges from the shop. Sentence number 5. There is not any or some LED TV in my house. Sentence 6. She put some or any carrot in the soup. The students, solve this exercise and I give you feedback. Now pause the video and after doing the exercise have the feedback. The student, sentence number 1. The teacher does not have any chalk. There were a lot of birds in the net. I have a lot of toys in my cupboard. My mother bought some oranges from the shop. There is not any LED TV in my house. Sentence number 6. She puts some carrot in the soup. The student, this is practice exercise B on page 39. Complete the sentences. Use many with countable and much with uncountable nouns. The student, solve this exercise and have the feedback after solving this exercise. Now pause the video and once again watch the video after solving the exercise. The students, I have many packets of chips in my bag. There is much cheese on the pizza. We saw many tall buildings in Karachi. I do not have much time for fun. We can play many games in sports gala. Last sentence, there is not much petrol in my bike. The students, now this is exercise C. Practice exercise C. Complete the sentences. Use suitable quantifiers from the box. The first one is a lot of, many, much, some and any. Sentence 1. Alia got dash gifts in her Amin ceremony. Sentence 2. We did not eat dash food in the party. There are dash 5-star hotels in Lahore. I did not read dash newspaper this morning. We will take dash rupees with us for the Murray tour. Our school has dash books in the library. We will take dash rupees with us for the Murray tour. Sentence 6. Our school has dash books in the library. The students, now do the exercise. Complete the sentences. Pause the video and after doing the exercise, once again watch the video and have feedback. The students, this is the feedback. Sentence 1. Alia got many gifts on her Amin ceremony. Sentence 2. We did not eat much food in the party. There are many 5-star hotels in Lahore. I did not read any newspaper this morning. Sentence 5. We will take some rupees with us for the Murray tour. Sentence 6. Our school has a lot of books in the library. Dear students, now this is the time to say you Allah Hafiz, but before saying you Allah Hafiz, this is the homework. Do extended practice with the help of the given picture. This is on page 40. And the sentences have been given on page 41. There are 8 sentences. The first and second sentences have been solved for your convenience. There are a lot of slices of birds in the plate. There are some eggs in the plate. There are remaining 6 sentences. You will do these 6 sentences with the help of the given picture on page 40. Okay, dear students, take care of yourself. May Allah bless you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.